Hello dear students, welcome back to 10th Biology online sessions. In the previous video we discussed about the differences between arteries and veins, about their structures and their functions. In this video I would like to tell about some discoveries of the scientists, like who discovered the stethoscope, who discovered the valves present in the veins, and who noticed the valves in the heart, and we are going to discuss about who noticed and observed blood capillaries. Without delay, let's start the class. Do you know, dear students, what doctor used to observe our heartbeat and to measure the heartbeat? Yes, absolutely you are correct. Stethoscope. Yes. Do you know how that stethoscope discovered by the scientist in the olden days? Yes. In the year 1816. Rene, leaneck, the scientist name is actually in the olden days. To observe the heartbeat, to listen to how he discovered. Doctors, they keep their ear on the chest of the patient. Later, the doctor Rene leaneck, he prepared a paper tube to observe the heartbeat. Then, instead of paper tube, he used a bamboo tube. You know about bamboo, wooden bamboo. He used that bamboo to listen heartbeat of the patient and to measure how many times that heart beats per minute. By keeping one end of the bamboo on the chest of the patient and another end of the bamboo at his ear, like the first stethoscope was discovered by Rene leaneck in the year 1816. This is about the discovery of the stethoscope. Let's start to learn about the discovery of valves. In the previous session we discussed there is no valves in arteries, but veins, they contains valves. And also we discussed about some valves that are present in the heart, like tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, pulmonary valve and systemic valve. These four valves are present in the heart. Nowadays we know, but in the olden days who found that valves in the veins? The Italian doctor named Girolamo fabrici. So Girolamo fabrici, he observed and he noticed valves are present in the veins. He noticed in the year 1574. Are you clear? The first time valves are observed by the scientist Girolamo fabrici in the year 1574. How he observed? He observed the veins of his patient when he is treating them. When he observed and dissected the veins of the legs, then he noticed some closing and opening valves that are present in the veins. But he never understand the main concept and the main importance of the valves. He failed to find out their importance. The scientist William Harvey. Do you know who is William Harvey? William Harvey nothing but a student of Girolamo fabrici. Later Girolamo fabrici, the scientist William Harvey observed valves in the heart of the human. When he dissected a heart, he noticed some kind of valves are present in the heart. And also, he explained about blood circulation, mainly about double circulation. And he discovered the valves present in the heart like tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, pulmonary valve and systemic valve. And also he noticed the importance of the valve. They allows the flow of the blood in a single direction. If the blood tries to come back, the valves are closed. This Rene observation helps to study more about veins. In this way, William Harvey discovered about the function of the valves and how the valves are present in the heart by dissecting a heart. But he is unable to explain about the minute thread-like vessels that are present in the body, because on the time of William Harvey there is no availability of the microscope to observe the small thread-like structures that are present in the body. Later, the experimentation of William Harvey in the year 1661, the scientist Marcello Molphigi, he observed blood capillaries. What are blood capillaries? Blood capillaries is nothing but a very small, minute, thread-like or hair-like vessels. These blood capillaries are located between the cells, and inside of the cells they are connected between the cells and tissue. And also these capillaries' main function is they connect arteries and veins. The blood that flows through the arteries goes to the cell. Then that blood again enters into the blood capillaries. These blood capillaries send this deoxygenated blood to the veins. We can call blood capillaries as the interlink between arteries and veins. Actually, capillary is a Latin word that means hair-like structures. How he observed capillaries? The scientist Marcello Molphigi observed these thread-like, hair-like, very minute capillaries or vessels in the animal bat. He observed the wings of the bat. The wings of the bat are very thin as well as transparent. By observing these wings under the microscope, he found very microscopic hair-like structures. They are called capillaries. This is the discoveries of Rene, Girolamo fabrici, William Harvey and Marcello Molphigi. In the next video, I am going to discuss about how heart works. Don't miss this interesting journey of transportation system. Keep watching, keep smiling, take care.